got it on.
Man down, man down.
Get him, Gigi!
Get him, help him, Gee. Help him, Miguel.
Get him, Gigi! Good boy! Go get him! Go help him! Come on!
That's it, Sophie too. Hey, everybody. Rescue, Van Orden Rescue Team.
Hold me that way.
I know which way to...
All right, 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20, 35.
Hold on. Gigi, no. Not true. Gigi, no. Alright, that's what I'm going to use. You need a harness. I think you go to your hands and knees first, Ed.
All right, pull me that way. Easy.
Easy. No.
You must have snacks in the bag. There must be snacks in the bag. Oh, Miguel's helping now too.
Ready?
He's trying to help pull you up.
Let's go. Which foot are you going up with?
Left
Ready?
foot.
Pull up.
Right. Oh, the dog's pulling on me. King, stop it.
No.
All right, Tom.
Settle.
Thank you.